Hello everyone, my name is Selector and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn another example of parent selector. So before we start, don't forget to check out our Instagram page and thank you for love and support for our videos. Now let's start. In this video, what I want to achieve here is that if right now you can see that there is a reset button is available, so I want to disable this reset button if none of the checkbox is checked. If any of the checkbox is checked, then and then I want to display the reset button. So normally we used to achieve this thing using a JavaScript, but now thanks to the new feature of the CSS 2022 called parent selector, because of that we can achieve the same output using the CSS. So let's see, let's start the demo. So here what I'm going to do is I will make the button display none. So how can we make the button display none? So multi-select, and inside the multi-select we have a button and the type of the button is equal to reset. So now I will make the display none for this button. So now you can see that button is not available. Now what I want to do is, as soon as I check any of the checkbox, okay, I want to display that button. So now what I can do is I will implement dot multi-select. If multi-select has any input which is checked, okay, so that multi-select, and inside of that multi-select, if the button reset is there, then I will make a display block, right? So now if you see that, okay, so you can see that button is display here. So as soon as I uncheck this checkbox, you can see that button is disabled, right? So if I check the checkbox, button is on display. As soon as uncheck all the checkbox, button is disappear, right? So now we can achieve the same output without using a JavaScript, using the parent selector called has. Thank you so much, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.